Think the stock market is just for the rich? Think again. In 2025, anyone with a phone and $10 can start investing. But here's the truth. If you want to win in the stock market, you need to play smart. So let's break down the 5 golden rules for successful stock investing that every beginner needs to know before they buy their first share. 1. Invest for the long term, not the quick flip. Stock investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Real wealth is built over years, not days. The best investors know that time is your greatest weapon. Let your money grow, ride out the ups and downs, and remember, those who stay in the game the longest usually win the most. So stop checking your portfolio every day and start thinking about the long haul. 2. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. This is crucial. Only invest what you can afford to risk. The stock market can be volatile, and while the long-term trend is up, short-term dips are guaranteed. If you're using rent money or credit card debt to invest, you're putting yourself in a dangerous spot. Be smart, be safe. Invest with money you're okay not touching for years. 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Putting all your money into one stock? Bad idea. Even great companies can struggle. The key is to spread your money across different industries, companies, and even asset types. ETFs, index funds, tech, healthcare, energy. This mix protects you from big losses and helps you grow steadily. Remember, diversification eats protection. 4. Ignore the noise. Focus on your plan. Every time the market dips, headlines scream crash, but smart investors don't panic. Markets move up and down. It's normal. Follow your strategy, do your research, and block out the chaos. Emotional decisions can ruin your returns. The pros know. Stay calm, stick to the plan, and trust the process. 5. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. Here's the truth. There's no perfect time to start investing. Waiting for the right moment just means you miss out on compound growth. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. Even small amounts matter. $50 a month adds up. Start now. Because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is today. If you follow these 5 simple rules, you'll be miles ahead of most new investors. Stock investing isn't about luck. It's about discipline, patience, and smart decisions. So, are you ready to grow your wealth? Hit that like button if you're serious about your future, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand money content.